Hello my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry I had to do a voice note. I'm really sorry. For the new members, welcome, karibu sana. Welcome to this crazy family. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. For the new subscribers, this is what we do here. We subscribe. We do what? We subscribe. Thank you so much. But please don't forget to subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 guys. So guys, on this video I was really excited. Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. I think the eyes really inspired me. Like I was in the mood to do this, and I thank God. So right now I'm going to do what? I'm going to set. I have used a different method today. So right now I'm going to mix my loose powder with my foundation. And remember, mind you, from the start I mixed my primer with the loose powder and applied before applying the foundation. So right now I'm mixing my Milani foundation with the loose powder, and ensure you mix it very well. Mix it very well. Then after that, apply it. Apply it. So guys, look at that blend. Just check out that blend, guys. It's really blending out well with my skin. Look at that. Look at that. Look at, ensure you blend. See that. See that. Guys, see that. Today's makeup was on fire and I was so excited. Oh my god. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share your comments, which look you want me to do, I'll do it. See that? Aish, 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 aish. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I was really happy because the makeup was really blending in. Like literally it was really blending in with my skin. and I was so excited. Like who doesn't get excited when your makeup blends in with your skin? Damn. And remember, this is a drugstore makeup, so you can imagine what if it was the original? Anyway, anyhow, we work with what we have till God blesses us. We shall use what we have. Yes, so let's continue. Oh my god, like literally, guys, I've not, like, oh my god, what do I say? I'm even short of words. Check that out. Guys, the glow was coming out each time I was doing this and that. The glow, look at that glow. Like, guys, can you see that? See that glow? And I mean the glow. Oh my god.